These are the things I wish I knew before I started a web design business. Number 1, don't take on too big of a project. Start with manageable projects to build your confidence and skills. Number 2, imposter syndrome. Don't let it get to you. Charge what you're worth and believe in your abilities. Number 3, marketing matters. Web design is only half the job. The other half is marketing and getting clients. Number 4, foundations first. Establish solid foundations. Iron out your processes like onboarding, web design processes, and your website handover. These will all pay off in the long run. Number 5, personalize your brand. Make sure that your business is unique to you. It makes you stand out in the crowd. Number 6, start with your inner circle. Build your initial projects with people who you know and people in your community. This will help you start building a portfolio. Number 7, keep up with industry trends. Continuous learning is important. This will help you discover features and tools that you didn't even know existed. Number 8, client communication is key. Slow communication will slow down your project. Set out the project scope and always communicate with your client. Number 9, plan for downtime. You're not always going to have clients. Plan for this and use this time to market and learn new tools. And there you go. These are the things that I wish I knew when I started web design. Follow for more web design tips.